Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most iconic names in the world of superbikes, the new 2026 Yamaha R1. Synonymous with performance, precision, and MotoGP-inspired engineering, the R1 has always been Yamaha's ultimate expression of speed and technology. The 2026 model takes that legacy further, blending race-ready performance with modern-day refinement. Let's dive in to see what makes this new R1 an evolution worth talking about. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha R1 features a striking design inspired directly by Yamaha's YZR M1 MotoGP racer. The aerodynamic bodywork has been refined for better airflow and stability at high speeds, while the new LED projector headlights and sleeker fairing give it an even more aggressive front profile. The tank and tail sections have been slightly reshaped for improved rider ergonomics, providing a perfect balance between comfort and control. With fresh color schemes like racing blue and tech black, the R1 looks every bit as fast as it feels. Performance and powertrain. Under the fairing lies Yamaha's legendary 998 cubic centimeters inline four-cylinder Crossplane engine, delivering a thrilling and linear power curve. For 2026, the engine has been retuned for smoother mid-range performance and improved throttle response. The R1's 6-speed gearbox is paired with a quick shifter and slipper clutch for seamless gear changes, while the lightweight aluminum frame and fully adjustable KYB suspension provide razor-sharp handling on both road and track. The braking system, featuring dual front discs with radial mount calipers, ensures confidence-inspiring stopping power in all conditions. Safety and technology. The 2026 R1 is loaded with advanced electronics designed to give riders maximum control. It features a 6-axis IMU that governs traction control, slide control, lift control, and cornering ABS for precise performance in every riding scenario. The new TFT display offers a cleaner interface and multiple riding modes, while the updated ride-by-wire system enhances responsiveness. Yamaha's advanced launch control and quick settings customization make it easier than ever to tailor the bike to your riding style, whether it's a track day or a weekend ride. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha R1 continues to stand as a benchmark in the superbike world, offering a perfect mix of power, agility, and cutting-edge technology. With refined performance, aggressive styling, and improved rider electronics, this R1 isn't just a machine, it's an experience built for those who live for the thrill of two wheels. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that define performance and passion.